Hello and welcome to my channel, the so-called travel expert. And this time we are in the beautiful city of Pune. It is the monsoon season here and the whole place has turned beautifully green. Just have a look at the scenery. So in today's video we'll head out to a very beautiful resort which is just a short drive, a 1 hour drive away from Pune, and it is located in the village of Paud, which is also close to the Sahyadri mountain range or the Western Ghats as they are popularly well known as. So through this video I would like to show you the scenic and natural beauty of the region and also give you an impression of how the local people here would spend the weekend out. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you would like to have more information about the places that we have visited, please do write in the comment section and I will write back to you. Pune is a large city in the western part of India, around 150 kilometers southeast of Mumbai. So we are here at the Palm Woods retreat, which is around a 1 hour drive from Pune. So we've just kept our bags at the cottage and we are exploring the surroundings. It is a huge area, completely covered with trees, so it's a full green carpet. And it's also the monsoon season, so it looks beautiful. Here is a view of our cottage from the outside. And the view from the cottage looking outside was even more spectacular. So we have just checked into our cottages and now we are heading off to the riverside. It's a short walk of 5 minutes from our cottage, and you can see a lovely walkway behind us. So it's really pleasant walk. So there are quite a few activities also for children and adults. We've just been jumping around on the trampoline. There is a river right beside us, and there is also a sit-out area where you can have your afternoon tea and snacks. So all in all, highly impressed so far. So we are at this sit-out area now, which just overlooks the river. And currently it's just after lunchtime, so there are not many people, but this is where we'll be having our afternoon tea and snacks. So come on, have a look. What a wonderful view. You can see this river, and as we are in the monsoons, it is flowing at a very high level. But just look at the view. Beautiful. Look at that. So we are here at a walkway near the river. This is the Mula river, and there is a dam just 5 kilometers upstream. So we will head out there later today just to see the backwaters of the dam and also a few waterfalls in that area. Here's a look at the different activities that were on offer at the resort. And for me, the highlight was definitely the rifle shooting. You could also choose to cycle between the different locations, but for me, the electric cart was a better option. So this resort also has a golf buggy or an electric cart to take you around or drive you through different places. So we've just come back from the rifle shooting and we are heading off now to the recreation center for a game of table tennis using this golf cart. We are now on our way to the backwaters of the Mulshi Dam to also check out a few waterfalls in that area. So we've just driven about a half an hour from the resort and we have stopped by on the roadside for a waterfall. It's actually a hidden waterfall and you can hear the roar of the noise. So we will just walk along this trail. It's a 5-minute walk till we get to the waterfall. Let's have a look. As we drove further on into the mountains, the views got even better until we reached a beautiful scenic spot. What a view! It was just as beautiful as what you would see in the alpine forests. Look at that view. So we've just driven further along from the waterfall, another 20-minute ride or so, and we've come across an extremely beautiful spot, location. You can see the valley behind me and we are surrounded by mountains on all the sides. Just have a look at this panorama. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please do leave a positive comment, and yes, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.